What's up, baby? Come here, girl.
Are you drunk?
Don't worry about none of that, girl.
Yeah, this is.
Hey, you should
drink
take
this?
some.
No, I don't want that. There's nothing left in
hey,
the bottle.
You love me, right?
Yes, I love you.
Come here, give me.
Wait, whoa! You're drunk. You're
No,
drunk.
I want my
yes,
kid.
I smell
I want
it.
my kid,
Wait,
baby.
What?
I want my kid. You said you love me, right?
I do.
Well,
I
then
do.
come here, give me my baby.
No, we're not. Not right now. You're drunk. We can talk about this.
No, I don't. Let's do it now.
No. Let's talk about this when you're sober. You're drunk right now. We're not doing this right now.
You know what? You ain't nothing.
Whoa. What?
That's what you are. You ain't nothing. You ain't shit. You can't have my
What are you
kid.
talking about?
I've been wanting a kid for the longest, and you can't give it to me? You know what? I hate you.
Oh my God.